Whenever we think of wind power stations, we normally think of something like this. However, recent research suggests that we may have been doing it wrong all along and that the more efficient design is actually something like this. After 11,500 hours of simulation time, researchers demonstrated that vertical axis wind turbines are more efficient than horizontal axis wind turbines. The currently used horizontal design has one major flaw: as the wind approaches the front row of turbines, turbulence will be generated downstream. The turbulence is detrimental to the performance of the subsequent rows, which results in nearly 40% decrease in their efficiencies. On the other hand, it was found that vertical turbines increase each other's performance by up to 15% when they are placed next to each other. This allows vertical wind turbines to be placed much closer together, which increases the overall productivity per land area, and ultimately lowering the prices of electricity.